They have to understand how prices move, because when they understand how prices move, then they'll understand how their technical method relates to this movement. Because what technical methods do, whether it's a visual pattern or moving averages or whatever, you're using mathematical formulas, okay? You're taking what people believe about the future, transforming them or transposing them into a data point. Okay. As a price over time, right. Okay, or with volume. What people have found is that using these data points into certain types of mathematical equations, you can find patterns in collective human behavior. In other words, when this collective pattern is present, it will repeat itself. But the problem is, it repeats itself on a random basis, because even though the actual mathematical criteria is exactly correct or exactly the same, mathematical models can't predict who the actual individuals who are going to come into the market and actually do it.